Bottled versus tap water, the basics.
Bottled water and tap water are both safe options for staying hydrated. In most developed countries, tap water is regulated for safety and quality, just like bottled water. However, some people prefer bottled water for its taste or convenience. We'll explore the differences and see if bottled is really healthier.
Safety and regulation standards.
Tap water is strictly tested and regulated by government bodies. In many regions, it's checked daily to ensure it's free from contaminants. Bottled water also follows safety standards, but regulations may be less frequent and can differ by brand or location. Generally, both types are considered safe for most healthy adults.
Minerals and additives. What's inside?
Tap water naturally contains minerals like calcium and magnesium. Some bottled waters add minerals for taste, or use distilled water with fewer minerals. While these differences can affect flavor, they rarely impact health for most people. Both can effectively hydrate you, and neither has proven to be superior in providing essential nutrients.
Cost and environmental impact.
Bottled water is usually much more expensive than tap. Choosing tap water saves money and reduces plastic waste. Producing and transporting bottled water consumes more resources and contributes to pollution. For those concerned about the environment, tap water is the more sustainable choice.
Making the best choice for hydration.
For most people, tap water is just as healthy as bottled water. If you're concerned about taste or possible contaminants, a good water filter can improve tap water quality. Unless your area has specific water advisories, tap water remains a safe, healthy, and environmentally friendly option for daily hydration.